Welcome back. It's Domain 4 Adventures of Don Quixote, Lesson 6, The Many Traits of Don Quixote and Sancho Panza. Our objectives for today are to use textual evidence to describe Don Quixote and Sancho Panza's various character traits, to write in the present tense sentences in which the subject and the linking verb agree, to identify the meaning of words using the Latin root vac and use them correctly when completing sentences, and practice targeted spelling words. So for today's reading, you're going to actually reread the chapter from the previous lesson, but you're going to read it independently. So feel free to pause the video at any time to read through carefully. Okay, our word work for today is fortune. You must agree that fortune was not with us. So fortune means luck, and that is a noun. So we've been talking a lot about subject-verb agreement in the present tense and with action verbs. Now we're going to be doing it with linking verbs. A linking verb connects the subject to words in the predicate that describe the subject, but it doesn't show an action. So for example, which is a form of the verb be, is an example of a linking verb. There are a smaller number of other verbs that may function like linking verbs, but some of them are including your senses. So how you feel, look, touch, smell, sound, all those are linking verbs as well, and they typically follow an adjective. So if we're talking about the pronoun or noun here, we would use am, are, is. For the plural, we would use just are. So for example, if I have the windmills and I want my linking verb to be, the windmills are. It to be, we wouldn't say it to be, it is. Dulcinea is. He looks. Things like that. That will show a subject-verb agreement. So now we're going to look at the root word vac. The root you're going to study this week is vac, and the origin of vac is Latin, and it means to empty. So right here you can see we have vac here, vac, vac, and vac. Evacuate, vacancy, vacuum, and vacate. All of those include the root word vac. These are the vocabulary spelling words that you'll have, so be sure to have these ones in mind. We have adventure, armor, courage, disguise, enchanted, imagination, knighthood, nonsense, ordinary, and squire. So for your assessment for today, you're going to be practicing writing sentences using that root word vac. And we will see everyone in our next lesson.